All right, y'all, welcome to my channel, Country C, and today we're going to be upgrading the lighting area in my coffee area. As you can see, this is the coffee area. It's pretty dim and it's pretty dark. Stay tuned and I'll show you what upgrades we do to it. All right, what we have here is we have a light bar that we're going to install, and this right here is going to lighten everything up, and I will show you the back of it. It's magnetized. You have the little metal clip. It just sticks on there like that. And once you actually mount it up under there, your metal clips will sit up under the cabinet and the light just mounts to it. I've already installed the magnets up under there, so I'll go ahead and put the light up under there and I'll show you. This comes with 6 of them, of the little metal strips. It only comes with 2 light bars. Each light bar uses 2 of the metal strips, so you have 2 extra metal strips. It has an adhesive that's up under this white tape. It also has screws that it comes with, and I'll show you the screws. These are the little screws right here. If you want to actually mount it up under there. Now me, I don't want to mount it. But it also comes with a USB card. It's rechargeable. And you plug it in. And it has a couple other features as well. And I'll show you those features once we get it mounted. All right, guys, I got it mounted up there. And they're motion sensor. And as you see, I'm going to walk towards you and you'll see them come on. Now tell me that's not pretty cool. But on top of that, it's got a couple other features. You can actually change the color of the lighting. Just hang tight and I'll show you. You can change how bright, how dim it is. You can change it from cool to soft white to the other feature. And they are rechargeable. It has a setting on there. Let me switch it back to the one we had it at, super bright. All right, so if you just wanted to add a little light to your area, this will be a great light to use. It has the motion sensor on it. It has 3 different light settings. It has 5 different dim settings. And it also has a on switch for it to stay on. It has a switch for you to actually have it set for daytime, which means that it will actually read your motion during the daytime. It has another sensor for nighttime, which means that it will actually read your motion in the dark. I think those are some pretty cool features. Plus, it's rechargeable. So all you have to do is just take it down, turn it off, plug it up. When it's red, it's charging. When it turns green, it's full. All right, guys, I hope this video was beneficial for you to help you upgrade your lighting in your kitchen. And the thing about these lights is you can place them anywhere around your house. And they are motion sensor. As you can see, when I move, the light comes on. So just imagine putting them in different places in your house. And as you walk, the light comes on. It stays on for like 20, 25 seconds, and then it'll turn itself back off. And I will put the link down in the description so that you can see where I got these from if you're interested in it. But if you do have lights of your own, or if you just have some comments, just leave a comment. Let me know what you think about these lights. Let me know if these are the type of lights that you would actually like to put in your kitchen or anywhere else in your house. But until then, thank you for hanging out with me in the country community, and come back and see what other upgrades and different things that I do to make life easy in my house.